I just wanted to show you this. I'm going to be ripping this thing out anyway because I don't want it to grow here, and it's dying and stuff anyway. But I wanted to show you this absolutely enormous dandelion that's growing here. And the size of these leaves. I mean, these leaves are absolutely gargantuous. Look at the size of this leaf. I'll break this one off. Literally look at the size of this thing. It's halfway down this fence post. I mean, just looking at this thing, I'm going to roughly say that it's probably about 2 feet long, this one leaf. Look at this. That's one leaf. I mean, that is absolutely enormous. Very rarely you see sunflowers get this big. I mean, this thing's like a head of lettuce. I should taste test some of this. Here's another leaf. I'm going to pop this one off. Now, this sunflower has probably been here for a couple of years, so that's why it's gotten so big. I mean, look at this. Look at how enormous. It's like a whole leaf of lettuce here. You can make a whole salad out of this thing. Looks like it has some slug scum on there, so I don't know if I want to taste test it. Maybe on the tip over here. Might be all right here. It's bitter like dandelion. See, it's got that whiteness in there. Tastes like dandelion. It's nothing special. Actually, when I pick dandelions to eat, I usually get them when they're really young because they're nice and soft. And you don't want to wait until they're like this. I mean, this is absolutely, you know, you could roll a cigar with this thing. But I mean, look at the size of these leaves that are coming off this thing. I mean, this is amazing. I almost want to leave it just for the nostalgia of it. Giant dinosaur, what do you call it? Dandelion growing here. I mean, look at these leaves on this thing. Holy smokes. They're absolutely huge. I mean, I've seen big dandelions grow here. It might just be a different variety of dandelion is what it is. A lot of people realize, they don't realize that they think that all dandelions are all dandelions. No, there's actually different species of dandelions. This might be the giant version of it. There's a version of it that gets really large. This might be that version. So this is the only one I know that I got growing around here. So we'll keep an eye on this one. But I just wanted to show it to you and taste test it for you, even though it didn't taste very good. At least you know what it tastes like. So like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.